There were three friends with stupid names. Someone, no one, and shut up.
Yo guys,
Hey there, no one. What's going on, buddy?
look at this baseball bat I found.
Oh, cool. Let me see. Ooh, so nice.
Wow, it looks brand new.
I think I just might keep it.
Haha, now, very funny. Someone hand it over.
Why? It's not even yours.
But I found it.
Okay, let's simmer down, boys.
Nah, too bad, right? It's mine now.
No one, no!
After no one got clapped, Shut Up went to the police station to report the crime.
Officer, help! He did it! He killed my friend!
Tell me who?
Someone killed him!
Someone?
Yes, someone killed him!
Yes, I'm trying to figure out who. Who was it?
I told you, someone did it!
I already know it's someone.
So stop asking me then!
But just tell me, boy, who did it?
It's someone! How many times do I need to tell you?
Oh dear. Okay, just tell me who died.
No one.
No one?
Yes, someone killed no one!
If no one died, why are you wasting my time?
Oh goodness, do you not care that no one died? Oh dear!
I think it's great no one died.
You're so mean, my poor friend!
I think I should call your parents so they can pick you up. What's your name, boy?
Shut up!
Don't tell me to shut up. I said, what's your name?
I said shut